filming on dogs scattering around a house. Where are you going to go next? Oh, sorry, I just covered the camera. He's going up the stairs. It's too fast for me. Dun-dun. He's in my sister's room. Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun. What are you doing? You got to get out, Snoop. Crazy dog. No. I'm in my sister's room. Snoopy, get out. Snoopy, get out. Come on, you can do anything but stay in here. No, that's the bin. Okay, come on. Snoopy, come on. It's hard to film in one hand and guide this dog. Sorry for all the rattling and everything. Just kicked my sister's mirror. Snoopy, come on. Come back. Where you go next? Come on. Where you go next, huh? Oh, he's running. He's making a run for it. Stop in the name of the pugs. There you are, young puppy. Thank you guys so much for watching. That Jay was with me. Didn't know because he slept at my house. And this is my 99th video. So tomorrow I'm doing a giveaway. Or today, because I'm going to do another video today. And it's going to be my 100th video. So I'm doing a giveaway so you can enter that. You have, once I announce it, you have 1 week. You have 1 week to enter it. And yeah. Just gonna go on my first. Now here he is. He loves a good belly rub. Hallelujah. He spreads out like a sausage. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Turn on those notifications so you do not miss a video. You know the drill. I'm a human. Are you?